crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make pillow boxes. These pillow boxes are perfect for little gifts and treats, and it's also handmade, so you made an effort. But anyway, before we jump into this video, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new crafty fun video every single week. Wouldn't want you to miss it. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the pillow box, you're going to need a square cardstock, a compass or a circular object to draw a circle, a pen. I am using a lollipop pen from Flying Tiger Copenhagen, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a clay tool that has a rounded tip. This is going to help us to make a curved crease. You don't really need this, but I like to have this to make a nicer crease. And finally, a ribbon to tie it all together. First, flip your cardstock around so that the pattern side is facing down away from you. Then take your compass and draw a circle on the upper left-hand corner of the paper. Take a ruler and draw a horizontal line right across the center of the circle. And then draw a vertical line. Now we're going to draw a second circle, and for the second circle, you want to make sure that the circle intersects right over here and right over there. So you can move your compass around to make sure that it will touch, and then draw the circle in. Now let's draw a straight horizontal line across the center of the second circle, or the diameter. Draw a vertical line. And now we're going to take our compass once more, and we're going to draw some more curves. And again, you just want the compass to touch each one of these points. So I'm going to go like that. There's one. You can even rotate the paper to make it easier on yourself. Now you're going to take a pair of scissors, and I'm going to highlight what you're going to cut in pink. So basically, you're just going to go around here, there, and right around up to here. So just take a pair of scissors and cut along that pink highlighted area. Now we're going to make creases all along these curves over here, so I'm going to highlight those in green. Since these creases are going to be curved, I am using the blunt end of a clay modeling tool, and I'm just going to draw over it like this. So just go like that, back and forth, and this is going to give it a good crease. You can also do this with a toothpick, just cut off the sharp edge. So now it folds in like that. Go ahead and do the exact same thing with the remaining green highlighted curves. So once you've done all the pre-creases in green, you can put little trinkets inside. So you can put small jewelry, small candy, or even some star confetti. Then you just want to pinch the bottom like this, and bring the top over. Next, take some ribbon to tie your pillow box together. And your cute little pillow box is done. I hope you enjoy making those pillow boxes. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be putting inside. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications by hitting that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. If you'd like to further support this channel, please consider purchasing some Hello My Crafty Friends swag. So I'll have that in the link in the video description down below. There are t-shirts, pillows, socks, towels, all sorts of stuff. Really helps me out, especially with the holidays coming around. Thanks so much for watching and for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!